Good morning. My name is Don Brady, and I'm with Sumitomo down here in Houston, Texas. I'm actually the regional manager for Houston, and I cover South Texas and West Texas as my direct responsibilities. What I wanted to share with you today is a success story on Sumitomo's Paramax brand reducers, our 9000 series. It was a story about that was brought to us by Motion Industries, our advocate out in Beaumont, Texas, which is East Texas. The company was up in Evadale, Texas, again, East Texas, which is a very wooded area full of sawmills, paper mills, lumber, and a very large company that has 7 paper machines and very, very old machinery, old gearboxes. So it was a great proving ground for both Motion and I. And we were tasked with trying to replace an old, obsolete European reducer. And our solution was to offer one of our retrofit gearboxes. So we chose a Paramax with a special steel fabricated housing, which we've done many times and have a great amount of experience to offer. The fab steel housing, of course, will never wear out, and it allowed us to drop the unit right in the same footprint as the old obsolete European gearbox. So we selected a 9121 Paramax. It's a input shaft horizontal, output shaft vertical down. It weighed about 14,000 pounds or 7 tons. The obsolete gearbox, the European style, was over $200,000 and a 6 to 8 month lead time. So not only did we offer a $30,000 cost savings, but we also saved them half the amount of time with our retrofit. But the real seller was the fact that we could bring to them modern, up-to-date gearing technology, case hardened, carburized, and ground gearing. Not only was it monitored, but it's on the shelf. We stack it. And if it's not in stock, it's in process somewhere worldwide and can be here in a relatively short period of time versus their old, obsolete gears and gearboxes that had to be made from scratch and maybe a half a year away. Also, it's made here in the USA, in Virginia. And with our virtual support system technical documentation, we were able to provide these ratings showing our ratings exceeded the existing European gearbox ratings. Plus, we provided approval drawings and offered to come back and double check all the dimensions with them so they could sign off, which is what we did. Also, I offered my field service experience background. If there was ever an emergency situation, I could be up there in short notice to help service and support them. But also, I had valuable teammates and experience at our company. And I think one of the strongest points we had to offer is that Sumitomo is a very stable company. We've been in the USA over 50 years with many expansions and new plants. We've been in the gear business for over 100 years with worldwide plants, much newer. And of course, we've been in business for over 400 years. So that was a very important piece of the puzzle. And the fact is, we're not going to get bought out by another company like the European gearbox manufacturer was that he's buying from. Plus, our support team is very well-seasoned veterans that also mentor our newer generation. And best of all, our people don't leave. So it wasn't about just buying a retrofit gearbox. It was about buying a brand because we wanted to be the solution. So, in conclusion, it's not only important to bring our technical expertise, our documentation to a meeting, but we need to bring more substance with passion, confidence, with experience to be the solution. So thank you for your time and appreciate your discussion today. Thanks very much.